Hello guys, welcome back to the full stack web development tutorial. And in previous lecture we have seen basic JavaScript, and in today we will see a framework of JavaScript, that is Jquery. Jquery is a framework of JavaScript, and using Jquery we can write our JavaScript code in very easy way using Jquery library. So to do that, what we need to do is to add this script in our program. And here https ajax jquery is a library. Let us open in Chrome browser. Okay, then you can see this is a jquery library written in JavaScript. So you can integrate jQuery in your program using two ways. One, directly accessing this link. Yeah, you can copy this content to a JS file, and here just give source of that JS file. So I will use this web link in our tutorial. So first of all, let's make some paragraph, and after that we will see how jQuery will work. So write this is paragraph, and now take a button. Okay, click here. So now in our script we will write our jQuery program. So first of all we have to take document, that we will take using $document. Okay, document. And now document.ready. When our HTML program has been run, then we will execute a function. So that we will write function, and just close. Okay, for better do like this. And now we will do some thing. So first of all, let us see selector. What is selector? A selector is an object that select HTML element. Then what is HTML element? HTML element is a HTML tag, that is button, div, span, and many other header. These all are HTML element, and using selector we can select HTML tag. So how we can select? Use dollar bracket, what I want to select, button, and then what operation that I am going to do, dot click, means now when this selected element button will be clicked, then what we will do, and then we will do a function. It's a callback function, and here we will do some operation on this paragraph. So once again we have to select this paragraph. Then what we can do, just hide in this way. So when this button will be clicked, this paragraph will be hidden. Okay, so save this, and now go to here HTML tutorial, jQuery example. Click here, you can see paragraph is hidden. And now how can you show that paragraph on, once again on button click? So that we will see. And before going there, let us understand event and action. So action, event. So what is action? So focus on my voice. Whenever we interact with a web application, means content of web application, we interact with mouse and keyboard. So whatever things that we are doing using our mouse or keyboard, that is called action. And when that action is performed, event is generated. Like I just enter our mouse cursor on button, then it is a mouse enter event. I click on button, then it is a click event. I double click, it's a double click event. I leave, it's a mouse leave event. So here we can do like mouse enter. When mouse will enter, then what we will show, we will do alert mouse enter. So refresh mouse enter. Okay, this is what it will do. Mouse enter. And also we can apply one more event here, mouse leave. Sorry, just copy this line and here paste. Okay, and on the same button I will put mouse leave. Mouse leave. So mouse leave. Okay, mouse enter, mouse enter, mouse leave, mouse leave. Okay, so this is how we can put event on a HTML element. This is most important part. And we can also do double click. Double click. Then what here I will do, I will get selector of a paragraph, and then we will add some text there. Double click. Double click. Okay, so let us see here double click. Okay, mouse leave, it's this event. And so once again refresh, double click, it's a double click. And now we will see how can we get content of HTML DOM. What is DOM? One more topic we have, DOM, document object model. What are the content of HTML is treated as an object in JavaScript. So how can we get value of this paragraph with their ID test1. Okay, so let us 3 paragraph with different ID. Okay, paragraph 3, paragraph 2 and paragraph 1, and test 2, test 3. So here also we can do hash test1, and then we will see what happened on double click. Okay, sorry, test1. Now double click. So content of this test is changed according to this. And now let us see how can we get content of that paragraph here. So let us convert this to click. a single click, and then we will only do this thing. Okay, and now alert this thing means whatever content that you have you can get here. Just refresh here. This is paragraph 1, means I got content of this HTML element, and similarly we can also got content of paragraph 3. Fine. And now what next that we have to study, we can also get HTML here, HTML content. Just click here, you can see it's HTML content. And now what we will do, how can we set some value using these things? So here I'm putting a header 1, header 2, this is changing para 3. Okay, so let's do like this and remove this alert. Okay, so just refresh and click. This is changing para 3. So here you can see I just changed it value, it's HTML content. And so now next thing that you will see, so till now we have got our HTML content in JavaScript in Jquery, through Jquery, also modified HTML content through Jquery, and also applied event on HTML content. So and now we will remove these 3 lines and we will take a input type text and class in put val test. Fine. And now what we will do, on button click, and how can we select our class? We can select a class using dot. So here we will do dot this thing, and now here it's a value, and whatever value we will provide, like my name. Okay, refresh and just click. Here you can see value is set in HTML input form. And also we want to get value from HTML input tag. Then what we will do, we will just do like this. Alert means this is only to show you how it will work. And okay, so just enter something, click. Okay, first of all refresh, something, click. Okay, you can see its value. So this is how we can get value of HTML input. And now till now we have seen how can we get Jquery element in JavaScript, how can we set HTML content through JavaScript, means using Jquery. And now we will see how can we append some text value, some HTML content in our JavaScript, in DOM, document object model. So on button click, what we will do, we will use append. So just select here, write a paragraph, hi I am, so and just leave. So here just select that paragraph, paragraph dot append, and here what you will write, something next thing that you want to add. Okay. Hi, I am Manish. So you can see it's now appended. Okay, and just remove this thing and then once again refresh and just click this. Hi, I am Manish. And let us make some mistake, like here it's an error. Then here when you will try click, it's not running. But how can you know there is something wrong? Then just go to inspect, control plus shift plus I, and here you can see in console there is two error, type error, append is not a function. So this will not show you error. That's why HTML is a markup language. It's not a pure language because it don't show you any error. It will run without any problem. But you have to see in console where you are making mistake. So mistake was here, and suppose I want to append at top, then pre-pend. You will see its effect. Okay, I just clicked here. Manish means prepend will append text at the top. And how can you append various like where text 1 is equal to p the just write 1. Okay, fine, and copy this, text 1, text 2, text 3, text 2 and text 3. Okay, and you can see it will append multiple text 1 comma text 2 comma text 3. Just run 1 2 3. So it was prepend, so it appended that to top. And now one more thing that you will see, how can we put CSS in our HTML content. Just remove all this. Now I have only one selected, that is P, and here I want to put CSS, so dot CSS, that's it. And here color, and what's its property? Red. And just run this, click here, you can see its color is now red. So this is how we can add CSS to our HTML content using Jquery. And many more things that we can do. We can also add class. We have a method add class. So how it will work? Selector dot add class, and now we also have remove class. Selector dot remove class, and also we have toggle class. Toggle class that will convert, if class is there then it will remove, if not it will add. So we have these three methods in Jquery, and also we can get HTML siblings या parents child element. Like whenever I write a div tag, suppose I write a div tag, and inside div tag another div tag. So for this div, parent node is this div, and for this div parent node is birdie. So to do that we have parent node class method, okay, and also child node method, and also sibling method. So these are a tree that we can get in our HTML. So body is a parent of all the content, and then here div child of body, this div child of body, and this div is grandchild of body. So this is how tree in jQuery works. So I will give you an assignment in assignment section, and that you have to complete before proceeding for next lecture. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.